Today we are going to create some stickers. You can use the stickers both for digital and for physical products. So the first thing what you need to do is to get your image, and today I am using the glossy chibi prompt generator that you will find in my store. So what you will do is start with selecting how you want your chibi to look. So start to choose all of these options, and then you will click on generate prompt down here, and then you will copy the prompt down here. So next step will be to take the prompt and go to Microsoft Designer or whatever platform you are using to create your image. I'm using most of the time for this generator, I use Microsoft Designer, Bing, or ChatGPT. I'm just going to put here, describe your image, put the prompt here, and I'm always using the portrait size. So click on that one, and then you just click on generate. I will use this cute one with a pink hair today. So I have already downloaded it. So next step, after you have downloaded your image, you will open your ChatGPT, and then I put in the image that I want to use, and here you can see the prompt that I'm using. So I'm saying, hi, can I get this chibi in 6 different pose, clothes, what she is doing and holding in her hands. I want it to be Valentine theme, and I want like this prompt. So you can just take a print screen of this one if you want to, and just design it how you want it to be. And then after you have put this one in, ChatGPT will give you these 6 prompts that you can use to create these 6 chibis out of one image. And then next step will be to open a new chat in ChatGPT. So just click here and open a new chat. Already prepared it, so click down here on the plus sign, and then you will click on create image, and then you will upload the photo that you are going to use, the image that you are going to use. I'm using this one that I created in Microsoft Designer. So put in the photo and then put in the prompt that chat gave you. So this was the first one that I got. And then I did the same thing all the time. Most of the time you do not need to put in the image every single time, but I do that because sometimes it can change the image after the new one that it generated. So I put in this one, and then I put in the next prompt, and then I got this one. Same thing here, put in the image, put the next prompt, and then I got this one. So this is how easy you can get all of these cute chibis that you can use. And you can see sometimes it will give you options. So you can pick either way, this one or that one, and then this is the last one. So just click on them and then click on save. You can also just hold down and save to photos. And next step will be go to Canva. So open your Canva, there is where we will start to create our cute sticker sheet. And then here you can click here, or you can just click on some of these options here. I will just click here on the plus sign, create, and then I will search for A5. A5 is the one that I normally use when I am doing the sticker sheet, but depending on what you are going to do, how big you want your sticker sheets to be, you can design it however you want to. I'm going to use this A5, it's a half A4 paper. And then after you have opened this, you will go to your uploads, and then you will click on upload file. You will upload it from your photo library if you download them to your photo library, or if you download them to your files, you will click on files. I will click on photo library, and then I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then I will click on add. And after you have add them in, you just click up them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what you need to do, if you have a program that you are already using to upscale your image, then I recommend you to upscale them before you take them to Canva. If you do not have any upscale program, you can also upscale inside of Canva. So the next thing what you need to do is to upscale your image. Before we are doing anything else, you need to upscale the image. So either way, you can click here on edit, or you can go here on apps to find the upscaler app. So we can go to the apps, and then here you will search for upscale. And then this is the one that you can use, image upscaler, the one with the butterfly. And you can see this is Canva Pro feature. So to create these stickers, as I do, you need to have Canva Pro. The crown means Canva Pro. So click on that one. And here we can upscale up to 5 images at the same time. So I will just, this one we will upscale, and then I will click on the next one, next one, next one, and next one. So now we have 5, and then you will just click upscale 8 times. I always use the highest resolutions that I can upscale them to. So this will upscale them 8 times. And then just click upscale 5 image. And this one take a little bit longer time. If it takes longer time, you can still just click on them to get the new image. Sometimes it will give you new image when you click on add to all design, add all to design, then they can all come on the page. So you need to delete the old ones, or you can just click on replace. Oh, now this one is upscaled. So then just go and click on all of them. So all of them will be replaced with the upscaled image. Okay, and after you have upscaled them, you can always go to see if they're upscaled. Then you can click on 3 dots, and then you will go to info, and then you will go to details. So this one, you can see the dimension is 8,164 by 12,246 pixel. So that means that this one is upscaled. So if I click on this one that we haven't upscaled yet, the last one, and click on 3 dots, info and details, you can see this one is only 1,024 by 1,536 pixels. So this one we also need to upscale. So then you just need to go back to your upscaler, and then click here, go back, and then you need to choose the image, this one, and then the same thing 8 times, and then upscale. This one is done, just click on replace. Okay, so now we have upscaled all of our image. Now we need to start to remove the background. So click on the image and then click here on background remover. And I will do it a little bit smaller and place it down here. And then just go and remove the background on all of these shibis. Like that. Okay, so now when we have the background removed, just put some background color on so you can see how it will look when you are going to put the outline on. So now the next step is to just put them how you want them to be on the page. Maybe like that. And don't if you're going to print this out, remember to not have them too close, because then it will be hard to print them out. So we'll have that one there, that one, maybe change the place on these two, this one like that one like this. Okay, let's say something like this. You can also put some text on, but now next step, what we will do is to put an outline on them. So next step, what you will do is just click on one of the image and then go to edit. And then you can see here under edit, you will go down to effects. So this one, you can see shadows. So click on that one. And here you can see outline. So click on outline. And now you can see it's a small black outline around the image. So first of all, what we're going to do is to change the color to white. So you can just hold this one, drag it up to the white. And now we have a thin white outline. Normally I will have it around 50 to 80, depending on what we want it to look like. So this one we will have 55, okay? And then you can just click on all of them and do it like this, but you can use a better option. So when we have the outline on the first one, you can just click on this little paint roller, copy style. So click on the copy style, and then you will click on the next one. Do the same thing. You need to click on this one. I cannot just go to the next one. I need to click on the one with the white outline and click on the paint roller. So I need to click on it every single time to get the same style on all of them, like this. And now we have an outline on all of them. So now it's easier for you also to see how you want them to look. So just now put them how you want them to be, where you want to place them. how big and how small you want them to be. And then also, if you want to have some text here, you can go back to ChatGPT and create your prompt, or you can use a prompt generator that are generating prompts for text styles. So you can create the text inside of Canva. What you can do then is just go, either way, you can go to Elements or you can go to Magic Media. So we can try inside of Elements. Okay, so we can just say create a typographic text, Valentine Queen, cute bubbly style font in oh, sorry, I spelled wrong. Okay, create a typographic text, Valentine Queen, cute bubbly style font in pink and red gradient. And then when you have the text here, the prompt, you will just click generate image. Okay, so we will use this one today. This one, and the same thing here, we need to upscale it. So go to the upscaler and remove that one and then hit it like that. So you need to upscale this also. And now when it's done, just click on replace. You can also do it a little bit smaller, hold down here and make the image a little bit smaller, like that. Remove the background, go up to background remover, like that. Do it how small or big you want it to be. And then same thing here, click on one of the image, go to the paint roller, copy the style and put it here. Okay, so this one, maybe we can do a little bit smaller. Okay, something like this. And then we have a cute sticker sheet. The next thing what I always do is to do a mock-up for it. So we want to have a mock-up so we can show people what they can expect from it and what they can do with it. So I will take this image of the sticker sheet and put it to ChatGPT so Chat can give me a mock-up how it will look in a retail sticker sheet. And then we are going to create the mock-up that you also can use as a cover for this sticker sheet. So go to download and download this first. So go here to share, go to download. I will download it as a PNG. So click on download. So now when we are back in ChatGPT, you can use the same chat and then I will just place in this prompt. Turn the provided flat sticker sheet design into a realistic retail product mockup. Do not put in new things or change anything in the image. Keep the artwork exactly the same. Do not redesign or simplify. Place the sticker sheet inside a thin clear plastic sleeve with a small cardboard header and the top included a barcode and hanging hole with title Valentine Queen sticker pack. I want it to be in Valentine theme. Okay, so go here and choose the photo of your sticker sheet that you just downloaded and click enter. And if it didn't do what you wanted to do, then you need to click on the plus sign and click here, create image. Sometimes you need to click on that, otherwise sometimes it will give you a prompt instead. Okay, so now when we are done with it, we have our sticker pack. Just click on it, hold down and go to save photo. Back in our Canva, what you need to do now is to open a new page. So click here, and this will be our cover or mockup. So what I'm going to do is just take one of these ones. I will take this one, I will duplicate it. So click here on duplicate, take this one. This is the one that I'm going to have on my cover. So I will do it a little bit bigger. So hold down in the corner, place it where you want it to be. I want it to be a little bit bigger, maybe like that. I will also remove the outline here, and I will put a drop shadow instead. So go to edit, go back to the shadows under effects. We're not using any outline, we're using the drop shadow. And I want it in black, now it's in white, so go down here where you can find the white dot and drag it down to the black. Now it looks like this. I think it looks much better. So this will be fine. I will place it down, and I will also, you can see now she have the shadow underneath her shoes. So I will change the angle a little bit, so it will be more like that. So just turn it here. You can turn this one however you want her to have the shadow. I want it to be a little bit more like that. Okay, so next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one also and duplicate it, so I have the title. So this one, I'm just going to do it bigger like that and put it in the middle like that, and then I'm going to put it behind the chibi. So go to position, go to layers, hold in it so you can put it underneath your chibi. So it will look like this. Maybe we'll do her a little bit smaller like that. And then we're just going to upload. Go to uploads here on the left side, uploads, upload files. It is in my photo library, and I'm going to take this one, the sticker sheet that we created inside of ChatGPT, and remove the background like that, and then just place it how you want to have it. Like that, and I'm also going to put this behind the chibi. So it looks like this. So now we also have a cute cover. If you want to, you can of course put some more details on the background. And then also, if you want to have a little bit more in the background, you can just change the color on the background, put some gradient, or you can go here to elements and search for hearts. And then I will go to graphics, and then let us see, maybe we're going to take these cute hearts. So I'm just going to put them here on the entire background, something like this. And same thing, I'm going to position, put it behind all of the things like that, and then maybe also turn down the transparency a little bit on it so it looks like this. And then you have your cover ready. So that is how we do the sticker sheets. And next thing what you're going to do is to either way download it as a PNG. If you're going to sell it as a PNG, you will download it as a PNG. Me, most of the time, my products, I sell them as template links. That means that people can change them. They can do whatever they want to do with this image. So if they want to do separately, like one of these one on one page, they can change it. So I'm selling this one as a template link from Canva. So what I do then is that I will first of all put a name, Valentine Queen sticker pack. So put a good name here, enter, and then go to share. And then instead of downloading them, you will go to the template link. If you cannot see the template link here, you can just click on the three dots, see all, and then you will find your template link here. And you can also see this is a Canva Pro feature. So that is why I always recommend you to have Canva Pro when you are selling your products. So click here on Canva template link and then create the template link. And then here is your Canva template link. So just copy this one, copy, and then you have it. And then you need to create a PDF. If you're going to list it on sites like Etsy, then you always need to have a PDF with the link inside. So that I can show you in the next video, how to create your PDF. So I hope you like this video, and I hope I see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, bye, bye.